Hi everyone, this is Felix and welcome back to Make It Easy. And for today's video, I'm going to show you on how to change your custom URL on YouTube. And let's get started. First on YouTube, just click on the top right corner of the screen on where is your child image icon located, and YouTube account panel will show up. On the panel, select YouTube Studio. On the left navigation menu, hit Customization. Then go to the Basic Info tab. Under your current custom URL, click Delete. Sometimes it'll appear as Click Remove. Then create a custom URL again. Once you are done, click Publish. You can open your channel page and refresh it. You should see the new URL on the search bar at the top of your screen. And that's it. Remember that you can change your current vanity URLs at least 3 times per year, so you have plenty of time to decide which one looks or sounds better. And that's it. If you have any questions, queries, suggestions, feel free to hit the comment below in the comment section. And don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you want to support my channel, just click the join button below and become my beloved member for just $1 a month. See ya!